Hi guys, it's your girl Michelle and I'm back with another vlog. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Don't just watch my videos, please do subscribe. So today I'm bringing to you guys a vlog, my birthday vlog. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that my parents did a surprise party for me and they bought me a car, of which I'm in it now. It is an experience, something that I will never forget in my life, honestly. And I'm forever grateful. So today I'm going to our guys and forever grateful for everything happening in my life right now. I'm at a place where I'm just content with my life and everything happening in it. So yeah, this vlog will be, I wasn't planning on filming anything. So I want to share a few clips with you guys because you guys have been requesting a vlog of what actually happened on the 10th. So yeah, in this video I'll be, it's gonna be like everywhere. So yeah, so to give you guys the backstory of what actually happened, of how this whole thing was planned. So I came back Wednesday on the, I don't know when was it. Before coming back, my dad would always call me asking me, when are you coming back. Then I finally did tell him, Guti, I want to come back Wednesday. Then he said, we're gonna fetch you at the airport, which was sad because he never fetches me. He only takes me to the airport, but he doesn't fetch me. So he said he was gonna fetch me with my mom and my little brother. So my friend was like, friend, I think your parents wanna surprise you at the airport. I'm like, do you think? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, dobona con. So I got there was nothing. They got me at the airport. We went to eat. So as I was at school, before they bought me the ticket, my stepmom called me and she was like, cause on the Monday, on the 6th, it was my dad's birthday. So she called me and she was like, you coming back on Wednesday? I'm like, yes. And she was like, I wanted to plan a little get together, a party, a formal party for your dad. I'm like, oh, okay, because my dad doesn't like surprises. So she told me, Huri, he agreed on a small get together, not a surprise party. Yabo. So I'm like, okay. Then she asked me what my sizes are, my dress size. Then I told him, and I was like, Villa, it's gonna be a formal thing. She was like, yeah, it's gonna be a formal thing. I'm like, yeah. Villa was excited because it's my dad's party, so I didn't know anything. Like I was blinded, guys. So after the party, people asked me if I didn't suspect anything. I didn't, guys, to be honest, because yes, I was dressed differently, but I wasn't the only one dressed differently. Me, my dad, my stepmom, and my little brother were dressed differently. So I thought to see maybe as yabo, I don't know if you get me, but like as we have to dress differently from the rest because only the girls had a dress code. They all wore black. Yabo. The guys didn't have a dress code. They wore whatever they wanted to wear. So it wasn't like I wasn't suspecting anything. So this is me coming back. I don't have to tell you guys where I was coming from, but this is me coming back on that day in the morning around 10, and I was tired. So this is me after taking a shower. I was preparing to do my face. I forgot, guys, to take clips. I was like busy. I had to do my aunt's faces. Yeah, I was busy. Those are the shoes I was wearing. That's me trying to capture my dress. You see that mess, that makeup mess there. Then this is the face, child. I was giving everything. I ate, guys. I ate and left no crumbs behind. The dress, child, it was giving everything. That's my that's my mom, guys. My mom. That's me, the face, giving everything it's supposed to give, child. Look at me. So I was playing with my cousin's child, your lawyer Kalashim Stefani Wagit, but he's so cute. That's me in the car on our way to our location. the face, like I was obsessed with my face, guys. I gave everything. So yeah, that's my mom, that's my aunt at the back. Yeah, just us on our way to the venue, on our way to the location spot. It was actually my first time coming to this place, Paradise Creek. It is in Malulani if you would like to go, because it's actually a nice place. It is so beautiful. Guys, we're so late. We're so running late. I was so scared that my dad was gonna cancel, because my dad, he's so impatient. He's so impatient. That's him there with the blue shirt and jeans. That's him. I thought, yeah, I know this man is going home. So yeah, everything was going well. I was so happy, guys. I was so happy. We had speakers. That's my dad giving out his speech. Yeah, I'm blessed, guys. That's all I can say. I am blessed and I am happy with everything that I've been through. I am happy. I'm glad to say that I'm happy.
So ngithanda ukubonga kini nonke, ngithanda ukubonga to my parents. So ngithanda ukubonga kini nonke, ngathi sengithini lokunye mara ngiyabonga. Happy birthday.
Yay! As nervous as I was, I'm glad that I had the courage to say some few words to my parents and my whole family. So at this moment, it was time to pop some shampoo balls. Yo, guys, we toasted, guys. We toasted to everything. We toasted to life. Toasted to money, more cars. Guys, didn't toast to cars, Maranje. We toasted to money. Me, guys, I always toast to money. Good life, soft life. Me and soft life, same WhatsApp group. Those are my uncles, Baba Lumnanwami, yeah, popping their champagne.
Okay, manje isikhathi sema-games Mali. Happy birthday. Siyabonga ukuphatha kahle sesi. Very good example. Sisithanza kakhulu Mali yami. Okay, Mali manje kunama-games ne? Sizokunika ama-gift, but before uthola lama-gift lawo, siyo-blindfold. So then ufaka sandla, uyasitshela ukuthi yini abe utawuthola ukuthi yini imiliyoni lapho siyaqala sihamba nawo ngaphandle ale ngaphandle namageti ufaka sandla na ufaka sandla uyasitshela ukuthi okay imba ngathi lena yini
Mengayichaya wrong ngithole.
awusayithola miliyoni lapha miliyoni waphuma namuhla
Para la ngifuni vele nje uzwe. Leka kuyabonakala.
From here, guys, I don't think I'll have to continue doing voiceovers because Sobala, it is clear enough on what's happening. So yeah, just keep on watching and do please enjoy and subscribe.
Sivulele ingasivaleli ngaphandle nathi sifuna ukuphila i-soft sivulele ingasivaleli ngaphandle nathi sifuna ukuphila i-soft sivulele ingasivaleli ngaphandle nathi sifuna ukuphila i-soft sivulele.
Oh, mntwana hamba ngalamandla ndikunike wona nyanam qabalam hamba ngalamandla ndikunike wona qabalam
That's my old man. He's so shy, guys. My dad is shy, but I'm grateful.
Ngoba into zakho zidinga idolo zonke mntanam.
Oh, yini my love, ngiyakukhumbula. Oh, uyangihlanyisa soloko ndicinga ngawe. Uthe uzobuya nini, ndonwaba kukho.
I begin to
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure. Let me see the woman that is with you. Put a couple $1,000 on your wrist. Mama, they can't touch you. I ain't never seen this kind, babe. We do some kind things, make me feel some kind way. You know I'm not just tryna get laid, cause I know some kind chicks do it for the right pay. Baby, make a fire you with my machine gun.
So after the party, we had a small after party at my house at the bar. But I won't post those clips because I don't want to disclose anyone's privacy. But just know that it was just vibes. Look at my aunt. That's my uncle with savannas. I didn't drink savannas.
Vele ngathi ungisile shona malanga ngiyabona ibujula amina wona kumula ayuba ude nawe kaza ngolula yakumula shona malanga ngiyabona ibujula amina wona kumula ayuba ude nawe kaza ngolula yakumula
So I had a brutal fruit, guys. I didn't drink those savannas. And yeah, that's how my day went. There's the following morning, checking up on my car. Umuntu enemoto brand new friends and guys, checking moto yakhe garage per. Yeah, those are my flowers. The next day we popped some shampoo, but we continued, guys. My aunts they didn't want to rest. I pilanga 21st. Ciao, when you dance, if you have a car, you would relate. If you don't have a car, then social manager. Guys, this is a present I got from my little brother. He bought me makeup brushes. He's actually the first guy that ever bought me any makeup products. The only man that matters in my life. It's
Ngikuka iphimbo lami ngoba